Mga kaibigan, isang magandang araw uli, no? Magandang umaga. Just good morning here from here in the Philippines, mga kaibigan. In order for you to know, especially for those people who are asking about this, ito naman po ay in the reality, no? Kung sakali man lang, mga kaibigan, that would be happen, no? But ito po ay kalimitan pong ginagawa ho namin, no, mga kaibigan. Just to understand first, no, mga kaibigan, ang kanyang questions or the questions itself, it's all about the about the CIMIX and the real scenario or yung totoong nangyayari talaga, mga kaibigan. So ganito ho yon, mga kaibigan. Tanawa, hapit na noon yabo wangay kuyawan ko, hapit matagak akong cellphone. So, malapit na hong malaglag that we are going to fall in the floor. Ayun na. Kasi, nahin ng utana, no? Mayroong nagtanong, there is a question about the CIMIX, no, na nangyayari at saka sa totoo daw. It the same. Yes, kung ano po yung piniperform for the simultaneous exercise or simultaneous exercise, mga kaibigan. Yan po ang pinaghahandaan. The times response, ganoon, mga kaibigan. Hapit mataga kung cellphone na. So, I would like to discuss about this. No? Siguro, baguhan to or it is a private individuals itong nagtatanong, no, regarding this. So, ganun ho, mga kaibigan, we have a procedure. No? Ganun ho yun. We are using 14 codes for dispatching our patrollers, responder to the locations, especially. Mga kaibigan, because I am a radio operator, first thing to do as a radio operator, if we receive a call stating that the first thing to do, if you are or we are receiving a call, just taking down notes, no? Just taking down notes, name of the caller, exact locations of an incident, type of an incident, and damage, there is a person involved, how many suspects, how many victims, and then to situate, to put into the times response or the dispatch time. Ganun ho ang gagawin natin. And then second, just dispatch the nearest foot patrol, motor cops, mobile car, bike patrol for the response of that incident. Then inform the COP, OIC, DCOP, OD, and third, inform the thermal base, for example here in Davao del Norte, which is the provincial command. And then monitored your deployed first responder for if they are 2-3 in the area, meaning they are arrived in the scene, just provide CTRIP. It is a real scenario and the CIMIX is the same. CTRIP for that matter, mga kaibigan. Then feedback also that like for example the alarm 166, it is all about shooting. So inform your COP, DCOP, OIC, and many things about this, and your base. Then that is a proper feedbacking from the responder. And then as to situate as your thermal base, especially Davao del Norte, that if the scenario is 10166 or the shooting incident is in progress, and then ask the PPO base to conduct dragnet. That is a procedure to conduct dragnet our neighboring stations for the possible apprehension if the suspect will fleeing in the unknown directions or they are not found in that incident when the responder was arrived. So that is if in progress. Inform the COP, and then just provide investigator. If they are needed, just call for the paramedics, which is our ambulance, if because we are saving life, we are saving first life. And then if they are not need, then the investigator will be on that area. And then if not in progress, that kinds of incident, if not in progress, just inform the base, your COP, the same way. And then call your responder to return their matrix. Go back their matrix. And then the last, just relax and wait another incident that would be happen, and prepare and recharge. So that is all the cycle. So mga kaibigan, I hope so I can provide a minimal or the little bit of an idea, mga kaibigan. That is what about my experience for the implementations. So that is why, mga kaibigan, we have a lot of things to be done. We have a lot of things to be fixed of this universe. So I hope so you can understand on it.